Now, in the previous lecture, we were discussing about the fuzzy set and the membership function associated with the fuzzy set. What we have seen that there is always a membership function associated with a fuzzy set, and the value of the membership function lies between 1 and 0. Each element which belongs to the fuzzy set have a membership function whose value lies between 1 and 0. The membership function is represented by a mu of A of x, where x is the element of the set A. Now, let's take this example. Here, we have taken the value of temperature in degrees Celsius, and there is a set T, and the elements of the set T are 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It means these all 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. These all are the elements of the set T. As the term hot can be defined by a fuzzy set as follows. Hot is equals to 0, 0. The membership function associated with a 0 with the element 0 is 0. The membership function associated with the element 5 is 0.1. With the element 10, the membership function is 0.3. With element 15, the membership function is 0.5. With 20, it is 0.6. With 25, it is 0.7. With 30, it is 0.8. 35, it is 0.9. And with element 40, it is 1.0. So, you can see that all the elements which are present in the set T are associated with a membership function, and this value lies between 0 and 1. The element 0 have the membership function 0, and the element 40 has the membership function 1.0. It means it reflects the point of view that 0 degrees Celsius is not at all hot, and the 40 degrees Celsius is is indeed hot. मैंने पहले भी बताया था आपको कि if the membership function is 0 it means it is absolutely false, और अगर membership function का value 1 होता है it means absolutely correct. यहाँ पर जो हमारा एलिमेंट 0 है उसका मेंबरशिप फंक्शन 0 है. इट मीन्स कि अगर टेम्परेचर 0 होता है तो वो बिल्कुल भी हॉट नहीं है, और अगर आपका टेम्परेचर 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस है इट मीन्स यस इट इज कंप्लीटली हॉट. एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय 0.1, 0.3, 0.5, और if it is 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, it means कि अगर membership function 0.5 से कम है it means it is hot but it is somewhat hot, बहुत ज़्यादा हॉट नहीं है. और अगर वैल्यू आपका मोर देन 0.5 से है इट मीन्स 0.6, 0.7, 0.8 है, yes it is extremely hot. So in this way what we have learned that in fuzzy set we have a membership function whose value lies between 1 and 0. आपके फर्जी सेट में जो भी एलिमेंट होंगे उनके साथ मेंबरशिप फंक्शन रहना ज़रूरी है, और इस मेंबरशिप फंक्शन को हम म्यू से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. Now let's I will explain the membership function in more detailed way. Fuzzy set can be described in numerous ways. All of them allow partial membership function to be expressed. The ordered pair method introduced in the previous section appears in a different format as follows. In crisp set, what we have seen that if there is a set A and it contains elements like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, it means a set A which contains all the odd numbers which is less than 12. And how we can represent it in the fuzzy set? There is a set A and the elements of the set A are x1, x2, x3 up to n. And the membership function of the x1 is represented by mu1. The membership function of x2 is represented by mu2. Membership function of x3 is represented by mu3. So, how we can represent the membership function of a fuzzy set is A equals to mu1 by x1 plus mu2 by x2 plus mu3 by x3 plus up to n number of elements. In a crisp set, the different elements are represented using a comma, but in a fuzzy set, it is represented using a plus sign. The symbol slash or the division symbol here does not denote division, it does not denote the nor does the symbol plus denote the summation. Here the summation symbol is used to connect the terms and thus it means union of single term subset. Okay, यहाँ पर स्लैश का मीनिंग डिवीजन नहीं है, यहाँ स्लैश का मीनिंग है कि एलिमेंट x1 का मेंबरशिप फंक्शन mu1 है, x2 का मेंबरशिप फंक्शन mu2 है, x3 का मेंबरशिप फंक्शन mu3 है और यहाँ प्लस सिंबल को हम लोग यूनियन की तरह यूज करते हैं. क्रिस्प सेट में हम लोग कॉमा देकर डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स को सेपरेट करते थे, यहाँ पर प्लस सिंबल यूज करके हम डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स को सेपरेट करते हैं. For example, let's see that there is a set x which equals to x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma x4, and if we define this set using a fuzzy if we define a fuzzy set, let's see that A equals to 0.8 by x1 plus 0.4 by x2 plus 0.1 by x3 plus 0.9 by x4. It means that the elements x1, x2, x3 and x4 have a different membership values, and the x1 has 0.8, x2 has 0.4, x3 has 0.1 and x4 is 0.9, and all these elements are separated using a plus symbol. Now let's have a example. Let's assume that we have a set of all tall men. We say that all the people are tall only when it is more than 170 centimeter tall. लेट एज्यूम दैट हमने एक सेट लिया है जो कि सेट रिप्रेजेंट्स करता है टॉल मैन का, एंड पर्सन टॉल तभी होगा जब इफ इट्स हाइट इज मोर देन 170 सेंटीमीटर. तो लेट्स सी द ग्राफ. In x-axis we have a height and in the y-axis we have a degree of membership function which is represented by a mu. Now there is a sharp edged line which represents the membership function for tall. Now if it is represented this set is represented in the crisp set, what will you say? A person will be tall only when it is more than 170 centimeter. Otherwise अगर वैल्यू 169 सेंटीमीटर है तब भी आप उसको टॉल नहीं बोलेंगे, क्योंकि क्रिस्प सेट में सिर्फ दो ही वैल्यू होता है 1 and 0, और हमने यहाँ पे एज्यूम किया है कि अगर हाइट इज मोर देन